Good morning one and all. Today we'll be discussing about complementary angles as we did yesterday as well. And in this complementary angles we'll see that how we can replace something by something and then we can get an answer and simplify our answer. Okay. So here we go. Question number 7. Question number 7 says solve without using the trigonometric table. You know the trigonometric table that we discussed earlier. We are not supposed to actually use it. Okay, without using it, we have to any other thing we can use, only the trigonometric table we are not supposed to use. So the third part, the first and the second part are quite easy, but the third part will do it and I'll show you how to do this question. Okay, and as I am doing this question, please try doing it with me. Okay, keep a rough copy or your fair copies with you so that you can just keep writing with me as I am writing down. Okay, before doing this question, when I write my solution, I'll see that there's one formula that says cos sec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1 hota hai. This is one of the formulas, basic formulas. Okay, there were three formulas we discussed about and this is one of them. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. and इस theta की जगह हम कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. अगर यहाँ 45 रख रहे हैं यहाँ भी 45, यहाँ 13 रख रहे हैं तो यहाँ भी 13, कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. Let's work on this now. Cosec square 67, right, minus tan square 23 can also be written as cot 90 minus 23. Okay, so this can also be written as tan square 23 can also be written as cot square 90 minus 23, because we discussed earlier in the previous class, yesterday's class, how this works, right? And then it's going to become cosec square 67 degree minus cot square. When you subtract 90 by 23, what will you be getting? You'll be getting 67, right? 67 degree. So cosec square 67 minus cot square 67, what's my answer going to be? My answer is going to be 1. Why? Because of this formula. If you look at this formula, cos square theta minus cot square theta, और इसमें अगर मैं 67 पुट कर दूं तब भी मेरा आंसर क्या रहेगा? 1. So my answer is going to be 1 for this. Okay, if you didn't understand, let's look at the fourth part of the same question, that is question number 7. It says sec square 22 degree minus cot square 68 degree equals to 1. I have to prove that left hand side equals to 1. Now what I'll do is sec square 22 degree minus, I can write 10 over here, 10 square 90 minus 22. When you do 90 minus 22, 90 minus 68. Okay, either you can write cot square 68 or you can also write 10 square 90 minus 68. They both are the same thing. Okay, so when you write sec square 22 degree minus 10 square 90 minus 68 is going to be 22, isn't it? Now when you solve this, there's a formula. There are three formula. One is this formula that I talked about. The other formula is sec square theta minus tan square theta इक्वल्स टू 1 होता है. मतलब इस पूरे की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 1. और थीटा की जगह कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हैं हम. तो ये थीटा की जगह 22 आ गया, तो इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी मेरी? 1. सो 1 इक्वल, और इस साइड भी 1 है, सो आई कैन से हेंस प्रूव्ड. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव टू डू. आई हैव टू प्रूव इट. सो आई प्रूव्ड इट. Okay, so that's how you'll be doing these questions. Okay, let's see some more questions. There is one question, that is question number, this is question number 10, second part. Okay, this is the second part of question number 10. So we'll be working on the second part of question number 10. Okay, now I'll be seeing what can be done in this question. Sin 50 I'm writing as it is, right? And then cos 40 can also be written as sin 90 minus 40. Okay, cos 40 can also be written as sin 90 minus 40. Okay, you guys getting it? Okay, plus cosec 40 can also be written as cosec 40, and there is sec 50. Sec 50 can also be written as cosec 90 minus 50, okay, minus, and then you have cos 50 and cosec 40, right, plus 2. I don't have to do anything with 2, but I have to solve this side and bring 0. Okay, let's see what this can be solved as. Cos can be written as 4, cos can be written as cos 50 can be written as cos का उल्टा क्या होगा sin, राइट. तो sin 90 माइनस 50, और ये cosec ऐसे ही रह जाएगा, यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है तो यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ cosec 40 डिग्री प्लस 2. ओके, आई होप इट्स विजिबल, right? Okay, now if I change this out, I'll have sine 50 upon sine 50. Can you see? Degree, don't forget to put the degree. Cosec 40, and this is going to become cosec 90 minus 50 is 40, minus this is going to become, if you see this carefully, this is going to become 4 sine 40 and cosec 40 plus 2. Now this and this can be cancelled out, this and this can be cancelled out, so what's over here? 1 plus 1 minus 4 sin 40 can also be written as sin 40 को कैसे लिख सकता हूँ 1 upon cosec 40 भी लिख सकता हूँ into cosec 40 plus 2. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, and then I have minus 4, this and this can be cancelled out, minus 4 plus 2, and when I solve this, 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus 4 0, so what will I get? 0 over here. So if you guys saw what I did, I changed into complementary angles. Okay, even if you guys are getting confused, that's totally fine, because you know the main thing is you just have to follow the 6 rules that I gave you yesterday in the video. That's the only 6 rules that you have to stick with, or if you are not able to stick with, keep it in front of your eyes and a piece of paper, write in that and just go with that. As soon you have to do many questions in order to get this formulas in your mind. Okay, we'll do one more question. Let's do one more question. Okay, so we'll do 13th question, question number 13, second part. Okay, question number 13, second part says cos theta sine 90 minus theta plus sine theta, and then it is cos 90 minus theta equals to 1. मुझे प्रूव करना है इक्वल 1 है इसके, ठीक है. अब आप अगर ध्यान से देखें, cos थीटा sin 90 माइनस थीटा को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ cos थीटा, लिख सकता हूँ कि नहीं? इसको मैं cos थीटा लिख सकता हूँ. अगर आप पीछे जाएं, उसमें पीछे वाली कल की वीडियो में आपने बुक के पीछे जाएं तो sin 90 माइनस थीटा को मैं cos थीटा भी लिख सकता हूँ, प्लस sin थीटा, एंड cos 90 माइनस थीटा को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? sin थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1. मुझे 1 लेके आना है इस साइड भी, उस साइड तो 1 है, इस साइड भी 1 लेके आना है. तभी क्वेश्चन के ऊपर अगर आप देखोगे क्या लिखा है, प्रूफ, हमें प्रूफ करना है. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा. और आपको एक फॉर्मूला पता होगा जो हमने 3 फॉर्मूले सीखे थे. cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 1. हेंस राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल्स टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, हेंस प्रूफ्ड. ओके, चलो we'll do one more question. Okay, we'll do one more question so that I can help you guys in the last question as well, 13th last part, that is the third part. So it says tan theta over tan 90 minus theta. Okay, and then it is plus sin 90 minus theta over cos theta, और मुझे क्या प्रूफ करना है? इक्वल्स टू सेक थीटा. सो इस तरफ सेक थीटा है तो इस तरफ मुझे सॉल्व करके क्या लाना है? सेक थीटा लाना है. तो मैं क्या करूँगा? टेन थीटा, और इसको चेंज हो जाएगा कॉट थीटा में, आप सबको पता है, राइट. प्लस ये कितना हो जाएगा? कॉस थीटा ओवर कॉस थीटा. तो आई एम जस्ट सॉल्विंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट नाउ. ओके, LHS I'm solving left hand side right now. Okay, so cos theta and cos theta can be cancelled out, you know that very well. Okay, so there is one left with me right now. Okay, after this what can I do over here is tan and cot I can change into tan क्या होता है sin theta over cos theta, right? Okay, और cot क्या होता है cos theta over sin theta. Okay, when you change them, when you reciprocal them, इधर तो वन बचा, जब आप रेसिप्रोकल करोगे तो रेसिप्रोकल में क्या आएगा आपके पास, ध्यान से देखना, साइन थीटा ओवर कॉस थीटा, ये ऊपर आके रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा साइन थीटा ओवर कॉस थीटा प्लस वन. ओके, तो मैं इसको ऊपर लेके इसको रेसिप्रोकल करके लिख दिया, तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस वन. अब वन के नीचे क्या है वन, तो वन का एलसीएम ढूंढेंगे, तो एलसीएम इसका इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, तो इसको भी किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. ओके, नाउ you should pay attention over here, this is square, that sin square theta plus cos square theta इधर आया नीचे, एक एलसीएम आ जाएगा cos square theta. अब ये बताओ इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होती है, sin square theta plus cos square theta. This was the very first formula that we did discuss, okay, when we started doing this chapter. So इसकी वैल्यू होती है 1 अपॉन cos square theta. अब 1 अपॉन cos square theta को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, sec square theta भी लिख सकते हैं, आप पीछे जाके चेक कर लीजिए. ठीक है, 1 अपॉन cos square theta को हम sec square theta भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि sec square theta या sec theta कितना होता है 1 अपॉन cos theta होता है, या cos theta क्या होता है 1 अपॉन sec theta भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, that's why in place of this I wrote it down this. Okay, I hope this video was a help for you and you enjoyed this video. If I really want you guys to do like when you're watching the video, you guys can hold your pen and pencil and your rough copy and keep doing the questions that I'm doing, then start doing your homework, whatever the homework the questions are left in the home. That's gonna help you a lot to solve your homework as well. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a good day everyone.